Hello, this is another listing from Big Water, located at Barker's Island in Superior, Wisconsin. This 38 Regal Commodore, 1992. This boat has been very well maintained, partially by Barker's Island and then the owner. I mean, it's been meticulously maintained. It's got a little over 600 hours on it, but as you can tell, it is sweet. The gentleman's taken care of everything that's needed to be taken care of. He's even changed some things up from, it used to be actually shaded in greens. There used to be some green accents that he pretty much got rid of and changed it to more stylish with the black and white. There's not too many areas that skipped over. Stepping inside, it's just super clean. Big huge generator. I think it's a 7.5 K generator. Twin 454s. Radar, Raytheon radar, Raytheon autopilot. Air conditioning. It's a big 38 open, which is a highly sought after boat. Huge stand-up stateroom, master stateroom. Little settee next to it for changing and take care of business. Hardly anywhere. But this couple has also used the boat quite a bit, but they've just maintained everything. Huge spare stateroom also with stand-up capability for changing. Secondary stateroom for the crew. Very nice boat. If you're interested in this boat, call Big Water. 218-390-4851 or look online at bigwaterboatbroker.com.